Hi there. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to post an image to a Blackboard discussion forum with your mobile device. So I have my Android phone here, and I'm just going to open my web browser. And you want to log into Blackboard. So once you're in Blackboard, click on your course. And navigate to the discussion forum. You might have to reveal the left navigation menu by clicking on the blue bar there and just select discussions. And then just select the forum where you want to post your image. All right, so once you're in the forum, click Create Thread. And you're going to need to give your post a subject. I'm just going to call this test post. Now go down to the body of the message and click the image icon, which is in between the paperclip and the video icon. So once you're on this screen, click on the Browse Computer button. And select where you want to draw your image from. In my case, I'm going to select Files. And I'm on an Android phone, so I'm going to select Google Photos. And I have some photo albums here. I'm going to select this one and choose this first image. I'm going to click Insert in the bottom right and then select OK. And you should see a preview of your image right here in the body of the message. For this demonstration, I want to select another image, so I'm going to click the image icon again. Select Browse My Computer. Again, select Files. I'm going to draw from Google Photos again. And the same download folder. And I'm going to select this image. Then I'm going to click Insert again and OK. All right, and the last thing I want to do is scroll to the right and click Submit to submit my post. So there's my new post, and to check and make sure it was successful, click the title. And when you go there, you should see the images that you've posted right there available for everyone to see. So I hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching, and good luck posting.